What's up, YouTube? Welcome to Getting Taco Bell in the Model X. So if you press the brake, it'll close your door automatically, but that's gonna take some getting used to, as my muscle memory is used to just closing the door. Very quiet, nice ride. You know what's really creepy about this car? Is, you know how it shows you, I don't know if you guys can see, but you know how it shows you the trash can and all that other stuff, like the trash can, the cars and stuff? Well, it shows you a person walking and there's no one there. So it's like a ghost.
I just saw one.
Yeah, it's a person, or like,
Yeah.
you saw an actual person?
No.
Oh, on the Tesla screen. Yeah, that's kind of creepy.
No.
Not going to lie. We have to take a road trip and see how that goes.
Yeah.
Because I need to get used to this no gasoline thing. And I want to see how it is, you know? What is this person doing? High beams are really bright. Not bad. I just love how it tells you when it turns green. It's like ding. It reminds you, like if you're talking or, you know, on the phone. You know what I mean? You want a Mexican pizza?
No. You get something. Let me see.
Well, it is. The Baja Blast is gonna be like $5 alone.
Do you want to just get
Thank you for choosing Taco Bell.
a
I can help you
box
today.
and share it?
Sure. What kind of box?
Whatever box
How can I
you
help you
want,
today?
I'll just share it.
What kind of box though? There's a lot of boxes. Yeah. 1 second.
Do you want to do that one, the deluxe cravings box?
Can I have one deluxe cravings box, please?
Taco burrito, chalupa, and the fries. That's fine.
Oh my god, that's a
Sorry, I
lot
said
of food.
the Doritos.
Just
the
get one
nachos
Mexican
box,
pizza.
Deluxe craving box, yep.
Okay, yeah, just one nachos fries deluxe box. That's the one.
Yeah.
And then can I have a large Baja Blast with it? The freeze.
Large Baja Blast, please. And
Yeah, with it. Yep, that's it.
any sauce?
A lot of fire sauce, please.
Everything look right?
Yep, you did good. Thank you, buddy.
12.45, second one.
See?
Yeah, it's so much less. I mean,
$8.
yeah,
You
true.
would have got a pizza and a drink for like $13.
Yeah, you're not wrong. Taco Bell's taxing.
The boxes are good though.
See what this guy commented on my YouTube channel. You can get a used. You can get a used Plaid for 60 to 80K depending on the model year. Just be sure to put 19 inches on it, as the 21-inch tires wear quick because the camber in the rear has too much toe out. And inside, this guy is very knowledgeable. Okay. Oh, that's you. What the hell? You're so dramatic. I would never be able to say no to my kid. Alright, I will save that. Yeah, I should be having a plaid video on my channel soon, so make sure you guys like and subscribe and comment so that when I ask people if I could drive their cars, they look at my channel and they think I'm legit. Even though we're getting thousands of views on the Camry. Like 5,000 views on the Camry is nuts. But only 52 likes is even more nuts. Like, why are you guys not liking my videos? It's cool. 4,000 views, but only 30 likes. So y'all just watching, but it's cool. 3,000 views and only 25 likes. You guys are making me look like I buy my views. Like, what's up? What's up with you guys? Why are we not subscribing? Why are we not liking? Comment below what you guys want to see, and we'll make it happen. We're at 192 subs at the time of this recording, and the goal is 500, because if you go into the studio, I'll show you guys right here. If you go into YouTube Studio and you go earn, the requirements are 500 subs and 3,000 public watch hours, and right now we're at 431. So share it to your friends, and share, and tell your friends to share, and so on, so more people can watch. Oh, I went for the gear selector and there isn't one. Muscle memory. I'm telling you, muscle memory.
Can you get hot sauce?
Yeah.
Hot and fire.
Yep.
You got an icy, right?
Huh?
You got an icy, right?
Yeah, large one. So much stuff. The other one.
12:45.
Thanks, pal. Thanks, pal. Appreciate it. Guys, this is a large Baja Blast freeze. This is a large. Thank you very much. Can we get hot too?
Say again?
Hot, please.
Hot sauce.
Yeah. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Have a good night.
You too. Damn, those are good.
The flavor is though. I like the sauce.
Hey, we doing a mukbang of the X?
Not bad.
I'm very impressed with the mileage on this car. The battery is not even going down.
You like them?
Hmm?
Pretty good.
Like, I've been on 226 for the whole day. No, I was gonna just... I could have made it, but I didn't want to do that to you. All the freaking tacos go flying and stuff. In slow motion.
It comes with a burrito, a taco.
Nah, though, guys. Let me put you... Where are the lights in this car?
Yeah.
Wait, what? Wait. Where are the...
Oh, wow.
Oh, it's up here. There it is. This is the best drink you can get at Taco Bell. A Baja Blast Freeze. It's like a very cold Baja Blast.
Thanks for that explanation.
Yeah, but you know how like regular Baja Blast just tastes really weird because it's like room temperature or not cold enough. Well, not as cold as the whatever. But yeah, I forgot to tell you guys, Taco Bell is literally a walking distance, so this is a very short video. However, if you liked it and you want more, drop a like, comment, subscribe. You already know what to do. And let's get it, let's keep going, and I'm gonna make more videos. Anyhow, I appreciate you guys tuning in, and I will see you in the next one.